Did you know a smell is one of our most powerful sensations?
Professor Sanders? Yeah, these are the ingredients that you asked for. Unfortunately, they're not the best quality this year, but you can treat them as an anniversary gift.
Thank you. I think I'm almost done for today. I'm gonna start preparing for the celebration tonight. George must be waiting for me.
Are you certain, Professor? The ingredients will only last for about an hour for, well, you know.
That's alright. 1 hour is all I need.
With these lower quality ingredients, you will be at a disadvantage, Professor.
The most disadvantageous piece is better than the most just war.
Sure. Well then, I hope you have a good night today, huh? If you need anything, let me know.
Are you ready for tonight, my dear?
I've been waiting for tonight this whole year. I'll prepare some food and then I'll get changed. You're making me blush. It's not like the first time you've seen me in this dress.
It feels like the first time, every time.
Let's go. Wait for me.
How have you been doing this time?
I've been doing okay. Well, things can get rough sometimes, but I know everything will be okay because you're always watching over me.
I'm sorry I can't be there with you all the time.
What are you talking about? Let's just enjoy the moment. So, how are you?
I'm good, I'm good. It's a beautiful day.
You're gonna say that again.
Again, yeah. Oh, let's go sit over there.
Okay. Here you go. Cheers. Cheers. Did you know a smell is one of our most powerful sensations? With a mere sniff of a familiar smell, you can bring back what's been lost, even for a short, lingering moment.
Professor, sorry to tell you this. Your husband, George, he fought bravely defending the city, but he didn't survive. My condolences.
Let's go. Wait for me. I'm glad our days in November. It's the only time that we can gather enough for the vial. Even if it lasts just an hour.